everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 20 of our 28 days to splits challenge. Let's get started. We have 5 minutes, no time to lose. So we're starting in the yoga squat. So heels in line, toes out, opening the knees folding, toes so palms together in front of your chest, and now press away your knees. Find your balance, of course, and breathe. You can gently just swing side to side. Breathe. Here's your daily mantra. I deserve happiness. 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 Okay, awesome. Now, sitting nice and tall, bent and one leg, open the other one to the side, and we're gonna stretch to the side. Grab your toe and stretch here. Breathe. Almost there. Stay here. Breathe. And now let's switch sides. The other one to the side. Exhale and stretch. Stay with me. We're almost there. And up. Grab your pillows. Going into the straddle. Both pillows. For the last time, both pillows into the straddle. And now slowly drop down. Breathe. Place your arms down on your forearms. Keep breathing. Almost there. And slowly up. Nicely done. That was fantastic. Day 20 is in the books, and now here's your daily self-love assignment. Revisit a childhood hobby. Yeah, that's a great one. Probably draw something, color something, or I don't know, solve a puzzle. It's up to you, your childhood hobby. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm going to see you tomorrow.